Phase 3, repetition with intention. Consistency is everything, but blind repetition won't rewire your mind. Intentional action does. It's not about repeating tasks like a machine. It's about becoming fully present in each step you take. A workout done with full focus and purpose wires different than one done on autopilot. Reading a book while reflecting deeply rewires differently than passive scrolling. Speaking with integrity rewires deeper than repeating empty affirmations. To rewire your brain, you must mean what you say. You must feel what you read. You must live what you preach. Most people fail to change because they chase intensity, not consistency. They sprint for 3 days and then collapse. True rewiring is not a sprint. It's a marathon of deliberate choices. The first week will be the hardest. The second week, you'll question the process. By the third, the old self starts to lose its grip. And by day 30, something incredible begins to happen. Phase 4, emotional rewiring. It's not enough to change what you do. You must change how you feel. The emotional associations you have with effort, discomfort, failure, they control everything. If struggle equals pain, your brain will avoid it. But if struggle becomes a signal of growth, it will seek it. Start attaching positive meaning to discomfort. Remind yourself that each challenge is a neural upgrade. Every hard thing survived is a system reboot. Fear, when faced intentionally, becomes fuel. Gratitude is also essential here. Not the fluffy kind, but aggressive appreciation for discipline, for progress, for your own effort. The brain shifts when it's rewarded emotionally.